Hi everyone, this is Louis, your data analyst. Today I'll be showing you how to create stored procedure on Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I'm using SQL Server 2014 and I'm sure you can also perform this task on SQL Server 2012. Now this is my database. Click on this plus, tables, and stored procedure. So we need tables and stored procedure to perform this task. Now under my tables, this is the raw data we'll be performing this task on, which is students aid. I imported this data from SSIS. You can as well import from Excel. Now we'll right click on stored procedure, then click on stored procedure. There are lots of information here. Seems confusing, but it's very easy because today we want to perform organized stored procedure. So I'll show you how to do that. Now where we have author, we want to delete everything above author. We'll have this everything above delete. Now because you see it's well organized and arranged, very clear. Now everything between create procedure and as we also want to delete. Okay, all the informations between begin and end we delete also, get rid of it, then go delete. So with just 4 clicks we've arrived at this page. Now the author, you are the author, so the name, just input your name here, the date you created this stored procedure, the description is this is where you describe the particular task you want to perform on the stored procedure. Yeah, because stored procedure is a place where you store your manipulations and queries on your SQL. The queries or manipulations you're performing on a particular table. In this case, we'll be performing these queries and manipulations on this raw table. But today, our purpose is just to see how to create a stored procedure. So description, you type data cleansing. In my case, in our case, what we want to do is we want to perform data cleansing. Now you move down to this place where you have a stored procedure, open and close box. Now inside we say data cleansing. This data cleansing, you also type it here, data cleansing underscore. Now we just bring in this students aid, students aid. So just this one, just can also drag, then move this row. Just make sure this row is not part of it. Just we need only student aid. Then now whatever task in performing should be in between begin and end. So now we expand this. Then let's say select all from this data. Yeah, it's already showing here. Just click on it. That's it. So the next thing we want to do here is just now I'm selecting, I want to see all the information on this raw data. At the same time we're creating a proc, so we just leave everything, then click on execute. You see we've created our proc. Now how to view this proc, you delete, you cancel this, then you move to stored procedure, refresh, plus, you click on this plus, to expand it you click on this plus. Now this is the stored procedure we just created. Then you right click, you modify. Now whatever task we're performing here is modification now. So we've created our stored procedure. So in between begin and end is where you perform your data manipulations, your queries as regards to this table. Now let's check this raw table. Select this and execute. This is the raw table we imported. So as you can see, we've created our POC. You see the name, the date you created it, and the task you're performing on this table, on this raw data. The essence, it's important for you to describe your task, because of course there are so many tasks you'll be performing on the stored procedure, so you need to state so that you can differentiate. You'll be performing different tasks on different tables, for example. So you need to differentiate, state this, describe what you're performing, so that you can always differentiate it from different tables and different tasks. So this is a way of creating an organized stored procedure on your SQL. In my next video, I'll show you example of a particular task we can perform on the stored procedure through Microsoft SQL Server. Thank you and have a good day.